Okay, guys, so we talked about Tesla last week, and here it is. What is it doing? 7% down, and I'm not going to say that I predicted it's going to come down, it's going to go up. No, I was just watching this bear flag, and I don't care what Elon has been doing over there, using it as a collateral for X or whatever other people are speculating about. I saw the flow was coming in well before that, and you can see let me draw this inverse flag pattern. I'm sure there are many other traders who may have been watching this play out, but from here I'm watching for TSLA, these recent lows 180, 175 as a support, and if it does lose those levels, coming straight down to 160, 152, pure technical levels. And the flows that came in was well, people were coming for December of this year, and the biggest order was this one, which came in somewhere here on Tuesday of February 27th. You can see by the basically contract prices going up, these were buys. So 12,000, 5,000, 3,000, so 20,000 of contracts at the premium of $10 on average, 10.5. They purchased 150 TSLA put, and there were many others like 140s. There were further dates, Januaries. If you just dig through the open interest, you will see the TSLA contracts. But basically, maybe even NEO headline in the morning. But again, if you just take a look at today's flow alone, just today's flow alone, let alone that those flows that came in for longer dated, it was very bullish call flow. 1.4 million calls versus 865,000 puts traded total today. But in Tesla's case, it's not playing when it comes to judging daily flows like this versus like big sweeps that come in that I just showed you guys, to say that, hey, okay, so since there were many calls were traded today, it's bullish. No, you cannot say that, because all those calls that were traded, it could have been just pure call selling, because this is one way of shorting stock, or one way of being bearish stock is just purely selling calls. So a lot of people are coming in for the short term to March 22nd. I don't know, again, are these short-term sells or are these short-term buys? You can see October 370 calls, and I'm just going to speculate that since Tesla made a move versus it was chopping up here, a lot of people were forced to make a decision what they're going to do, whether they're going to hold the shares or are they going to sell the covered calls, especially hedge funds and big guys. So that's what I think is happening with all the flow, option flow today. And I don't think it's bullish unless price confirms and gets back above 200 and back above 205, which is a resistance level at the moment. If we take a look at the moving averages, I think Tesla was trading below all of its moving averages for quite some time. But for the past, 5-6 days or so, it was back above its 20-day moving average, and it was just holding above this 5-day moving average. So at least if you are bullish, Tesla has to go back above 200, also 198. That's the 5-day simple moving average, for it to reverse back up. So I'm personally watching Tesla to the downside from here. I don't have a position. I'm just waiting for the premiums to chill, because premiums went up slightly. So I do not want to overpay, because I know it's trading near its support 182.50. If it chops around here, most of the contracts will decay, and it would be perfect time to trade the breakdown below 175 all the way to 152, 150, 160, pretty decent size. So that's what I'm watching for TSLA. I don't want to make it too long. That's the updates for TSLA. Very simple. See you in the next one.